Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a little makeup tutorial on the eyeshadow that I'm wearing right now. So today is date night. Today's the first time me and my husband are going on a date since we had the baby, and it's just gonna be me and him, so I want it to be a little bit extra. I got this shirt yesterday and I was really loving the color. It's like purple, but it kind of has like some gray to it. I don't know, I really liked it, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna do some purple eyeshadow because I haven't done it in a little while, and you know, curl my hair, do something, put myself together. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. I did only show the eyes portion. I didn't show me doing my face makeup just because I haven't really changed anything. I'm using like the same products, and also I didn't want this video to be too long just because I know some people don't have like 20-30 minutes to watch a video, so I like to keep my videos pretty short. Let me know what you guys think about that, if y'all like shorter videos or longer videos. I usually like watching videos, like if I see that they're longer than like 25 minutes, I'm like, so yeah, y'all just let me know what y'all think. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free, guys. Just press the little button. And if you're not following me on my other social medias, they're all at Beauties, so go ahead and follow me on there. Usually I will post on my Instagram like close-up shots of my eyeshadow, and then I'll let y'all know like, hey, I already uploaded a video on this. Well, that's at least what I'm trying to do. And that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I don't really know what I'm gonna go for. I do know I want to use this NYX liner. This is the purple shade. It's Vivid Violet. I'm gonna be using the Dose of Colors Marvelous Mauves, and I think I'm gonna use this purple shade in here from the palette Zulu by Juvia's Place. I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a half cut crease, so I'm gonna go in with that purple shade from the Juvia's Place, putting that in the crease here. And the brush that I'm using is the Morphe M534, and it's just like a big fluffy blending brush. And then I'm going to use a more skinny blending brush like this, and I'm gonna go into this palette, and I think I'm gonna use these two mixed together. Tap it off and put that into the crease, but staying a lot lower. And it started to look a little something like that. And I'm gonna go back in with that other blending brush. I'm not gonna put any more eyeshadow on it. I'm just gonna use it to blend a little bit more. And then I'm gonna go in with a smaller, more detailed blending brush like this. This is the Santi Contour Eyeshadow number 4 brush with that darkest shade right here. And I'm gonna really just put it on the outside and define the crease a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop white concealer. I'm gonna use that with a concealer brush, and I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. Like, it's really white. I love using this for whenever I do like colorful looks because it really does clean it up really nicely, and whatever color you put on top of it, it really pops out. So I love using that. And I'm gonna do a half cut crease. I use my finger here on the outside to kind of blend it out a little bit. And some people don't do like the whole put it on your eye and look up thing. You can just sketch it out. But since I have pretty hooded eyes, like when I open my eyes, sometimes if I don't do it all the way up there like that, then the eyeshadow will transfer. So then I'll have like all in my crease. Whatever lid color I put, it'll be all in my crease. And I just don't like that. I'd rather nothing transfers and just put it up a little bit higher. It's totally up to you what you want to do. So now I'm gonna go in with this first shade here. Oh, they have names, pendeja. This one is called Fluffy. I'm just gonna use the brush that it comes with. It comes with a little flat brush and then a little pencil brush. And I'm just gonna use that to kind of like set it down. Blending brush that is a little bit skinnier like this one. So then I'm gonna go in back with that dark shade, which is called Wine Stain. And I'm gonna use that brush to blend out this outer part. And I'm just going to press it on. And then I'm gonna like swipe it back and forth. And I'm gonna kind of go into this little area right here. And that way it can help blend this line that we created right here. So wipe that same brush and I'm gonna go back into the purple from the Juvia's Place palette and I'm gonna dip into that and I am gonna put this right after the dark shade, so more like in the middle, so about right here. If you can hear that annoying noise, it's my husband shaving his freaking beard when I told him to get ready a long time ago. And he waits till I'm trying to make a video to turn it on. So now what I'm gonna do, now I don't know, I'm kind of scared to do this. But I'm gonna do it anyway. I don't know if I should just line my lid or I should do a wing. Let me line it first and then see what I think. And I like these liners, but I do think that they crack a little bit, so I've seen a lot of people don't like them, but you guys are cheap and you get what you pay for, you know what I'm saying? So I already put on some mascara and put on my false eyelashes. Now I'm going to do my lower lash line. Okay, and then I'm gonna go into some black eyeliner. This is Urban Decay Perversion. And I'm kind of dragging it down just a little bit. So flat little brush, and I'm gonna go in with that Wine Stain. And I am going to smudge that out. And I want to go in with a small pencil brush and the same. And I'm going to blend it out a little bit more. I'm going to use a thin blending brush And I'm gonna go back into that purple shade from Juvia's Place, dip into it a little bit, and I'm gonna smoke it out even more. That way we can have like the purple peeking out here at the bottom as well. And kind of connect it to this corner here and this corner here. And I'll add that extra purple to the bottom. And then I'm gonna hit my bottom lashes with some mascara. I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Lash Blast mascara. And then I'm gonna go back in with that little brush that comes with the eyeshadow palette, and I am going to get the highlight that I'm wearing on my face right now, which is the Anastasia and Breezy. I'm gonna put some right in here. Put some on my brow bone, just at the very top, and then I'm gonna blend it out a little bit with my finger, like that. So now I'm going to see what I'm gonna do about my lip. So for lips, I think I'm gonna do Dose of Colors Mood. Okay, so first I'm gonna line my lips with MAC Strip Down. I always put on a nude lipstick underneath all of my liquid lipsticks. That way it'll last me longer. And once the color starts fading off, I still have the lip liner underneath. So then that will start peeking through. I don't know, that's just what I like to do. Especially when I'm like going to dinner or I'm gonna be having some drinks or something. Your lipstick is like the first thing to go. So I try to do little things so I can make it last. And I'm not the kind of girl that will like pack their lipstick and be like reapplying. I'm just like, I ain't got time for that. And I do overdraw my lips a little, just because my top lip is so small, it drives me nuts. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with that lipstick. I don't know, I'm kind of not feeling this. I'm gonna go in with the Buxom lip liner in Mystery, and I'm gonna see if I feel like it's pulling a little bit too pink. Okay, I think that's a little better. She's already calling me. What? I'm down here. Oh my god, I got something in my eye. My contact is fucked up. Oh, I hate when I do that with my mascara. Look at this mess, you guys. Ugh. I gotta clean it all.